The Westinghouse ePX3500 pressure washer offers impressive cleaning power with a maximum of 2,500 pounds per square inch and a water flow of up to 1.76 gallons per minute. Its compact and lightweight design, standing at 16.5 inches tall and weighing 19 pounds, makes it easy to store and transport, while the 4 quick-lock wheels ensure stability and maneuverability. The pressure washer includes a pro-style steel extendable wand with quick-connect nozzles, providing versatility for various cleaning tasks from decks to vehicles. A convenient onboard soap tank with a capacity of 20 fluid ounces allows for the addition of detergents, enhancing its cleaning power for tougher jobs. The pump automatically stops when the trigger is not engaged, promoting energy conservation and extending the lifespan of the pump and motor. The 6-in-1 nozzle attachment allows users to switch seamlessly between different spray settings, making it ideal for quickly adapting to different cleaning needs.